Did you know you can turn your home into a relaxing, luxury green space without even using soil? Yes, you heard that right. No mess, no dirt, and almost no maintenance. Indoor water plant decoration is one of the biggest home decor trends right now. It's simple, aesthetic, and perfect for small apartments or modern homes. But here's the catch. Most people either choose the wrong plants or style them in a boring way and miss out on that stunning Pinterest-worthy look. In today's video, I'm going to show you 6 beautiful indoor water plant decoration ideas that will completely transform your space. From minimalist glass vases to eye-catching hanging setups and even mini indoor water gardens, you're going to love every single one of these ideas. And make sure you stick around until the end, because I'll share a few pro styling secrets that will make your setup look expensive even on a budget. Let's get started. 1. Glass vase water plants. Simple and elegant. If you love a clean and modern look, this is the easiest way to start. Glass vase water plants are all about simplicity and elegance. All you need is a clean, transparent glass container, clean water, and a few plant cuttings. The magic happens when the roots grow and become visible. He creates a natural, artistic display that looks absolutely stunning. Place these vases on your coffee table, shelves, or near a window where natural light can enhance the beauty of the water and roots. You can also add small pebbles or decorative stones at the bottom to give it a more polished look. The best part, these plants are incredibly low maintenance. Just change the water once a week and keep them in indirect sunlight. That's it. This setup works especially well for small spaces because it doesn't take up much room, but still adds a fresh, lively vibe. If you want to elevate the look, try using bottles of different shapes and heights. Group them together to create a stylish display that instantly upgrades your home decor. 2. Mini tabletop water garden. Imagine having a tiny, peaceful pond right on your desk. That's exactly what a mini tabletop water garden feels like. This idea is perfect for people who want something unique yet calming. You can use a shallow bowl or glass container, fill it with water, and add small aquatic plants along with stones or even tiny decorative elements. It instantly creates a relaxing vibe, making it ideal for work desks, coffee tables, or even bedside decor. The gentle reflection of water adds a soothing visual effect that can help reduce stress and improve your mood. You don't need expensive materials to create this. Even a simple bowl can be transformed into a beautiful water garden with a little creativity. Adding elements like floating leaves or small figurines can make it even more eye-catching. Maintenance is minimal. Just keep the water clean and ensure the plants get enough indirect light. This is one of those decoration ideas that people will instantly notice and ask about. It's simple, elegant, and gives your home a peaceful, nature-inspired touch. 3. Hanging water plant decoration. Want to make your walls come alive? This idea is a total game changer. Hanging water plant decoration uses glass jars or bottles suspended with ropes or mounted on walls. When you add trailing plants, they grow downward, creating a stunning waterfall-like effect. This setup works beautifully in living rooms, balconies, or near windows. It adds vertical interest to your space, which is perfect if you don't have much floor area. The movement of hanging plants also adds a dynamic feel to your decor. As the vines grow longer, they create a natural curtain of greenery that looks incredibly aesthetic. To make it even more attractive, you can use different container shapes and arrange them at varying heights. This creates depth and makes your wall look like a designer installation. It's not just decoration, it's a statement piece that transforms any dull wall into a vibrant green feature. 4. Vertical water plant wall. If you want something bold and modern, this is for you. A vertical water plant wall is like having your own indoor jungle, but in a sleek, organized way. You attach multiple glass containers or holders to a wall and grow plants in water instead of soil. This setup is perfect for small homes because it saves space while still adding a big visual impact. It's also incredibly trendy and looks amazing in photos or videos. You can arrange the plants in patterns or rows depending on your style. Some people prefer a neat grid, while others go for a more natural, scattered look. The best part is that it's customizable. You can expand it over time and experiment with different plant types to create a unique design. It instantly makes your home feel fresh, modern, and full of life. 5. Water terrarium, luxury look. If you want your home to look expensive and stylish, this is the way to go. Water terrariums are glass containers that act like mini ecosystems. They combine water, plants, and decorative elements to create a beautiful centerpiece. These are perfect for dining tables, shelves, or even office spaces. The enclosed design gives it a clean, high-end look that stands out immediately. You can get creative with layers, add stones, moss, and different plant textures to create depth and contrast. The result is a small but visually rich decoration that looks professionally designed. Terrariums are also low maintenance since they retain moisture well. Just make sure they get enough light and occasional cleaning. This idea is perfect if you want something artistic and unique that feels like a piece of living decor. 6. Indoor water fountain with plants. Want to take things to the next level? Add sound to your decor. An indoor water fountain with plants doesn't just look good, it sounds amazing too. The gentle flow of water creates a calming atmosphere that instantly relaxes your mind. This setup is perfect for meditation corners, living rooms, or even bedrooms. It turns your space into a peaceful retreat. Adding plants around or inside the fountain enhances the natural feel and makes it look even more beautiful. The combination of water movement and greenery creates a spa-like experience at home. It may require a little more setup, but the result is absolutely worth it. So there you have it, 6 stunning indoor water plant decoration ideas that can completely transform your home. Whether you prefer something simple like glass vases or something bold like a vertical plant wall, there's an idea here for every space and style. Remember, the secret is not just choosing the right plants, but also how you present them. A little creativity can turn even the simplest setup into something truly eye-catching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing plant and home decor ideas. And tell me in the comments, which idea are you going to try first? See you in the next video.